Ashish, first question to you. We've seen these hospital companies, particularly something like Apollo Hospital along with Fortis, do pretty well ever since they came out with their numbers. The chart pattern looks good. Your thoughts, should he continue holding on or switch?
Absolutely, Rima. Afternoon to you and the viewers. See, Apollo Hospital post that 4,100 level was taken out, went exceptionally well. We saw a very nearly vertical rise and it touched nearly 5,000 levels. So I think the stock is in momentum. It is outperforming the overall pharma space, and especially this sector is outperforming. And Apollo Hospital has done exceptionally well. It has managed to bounce back from its 20 days average, and now it's sustaining there. So I think he can definitely hold on to the stock here. The stop loss he can maintain is 4,300, and I think eventually the stock can head towards 5,500 or even higher levels from here on.
Okay, the stock can head to levels of 5,500, but remember to keep a stock loss of 4,300. That is the technical view coming in on Apollo Hospitals. But
see, the overall trend for the stock, IDFC Bank, has been on the downside. The stock has been falling from the 60 levels. It's now near 44. So there is nothing promising that is looking on the charts as of now. But however, his holding has been at a quite high level. I would advise him not to average for sure. But maybe if he gets a pullback towards the level of 49 or 50, then possibly exit out of the stock. Hold for now with a stop loss of 40. If he gets a pullback towards 49, then get out of this stock. Maybe invest in the large cap stocks like HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, which looks much promising, has given better returns compared to IDFC Bank. So as of now, hold with a stop loss of 40.
that you would recommend Tata Steel? On Tata Steel,
absolutely.
Sorry.
Yeah, absolutely, Rima. You have been very right that, see, in this kind of stocks, exit is very important because you don't want to sit back and then see it going further higher once you exited the stock. That will be very painful, and you are making anyways a lot of money on this. So why not to ride this trend looking at a trailing stop loss method? So right now, I think 1350 is going to be important. That's derived out of using simple Dow theory method, that whenever there is a dip, there is again a bounce back. So unless we see a break back below that swing from where it started, I think you can continue to ride this trend. Do not try to exit the stock just because you see 30-40 points of downward. I think you continue to ride following a trailing stop loss method of 1350, and I think it can also, the stock can head towards 1700 levels over short term.
Okay, right.
Sure, Rima. See, L&D Finance, if you look at the overall performance, since I think March 2021, the stock has corrected sharply. It was at 110 levels, and now it's nearly around 80, 81 odd levels. And there is no kind of pullback or relief rally also we are witnessing over here. So I would rather prefer getting out of L&D Finance in this turmoil kind of a movement when the broader markets are outperforming, and rather I would prefer investing into Bajaj Finance. So my take is going to be out from L&D Finance. Prefer buying the outperformers like Bajaj Finance or Bajaj Finserv, because that is well placed as compared to this stock. And as far as Exide is concerned, yes, we are seeing a lot of hints. We can clearly see there has been a very sharp decline on Exide also. And it's very interesting to see so many stocks that we talked about today from the mid cap space. They have been also declining. So this market, which we saw the last 800 points on a rally on Nifty, 700 points rally on Nifty, has come on the back of more declining stocks in the mid cap space. So you have to be very stock specific. With respect to Exide, he can hold on now because the auto sector, I think, can drastically outperform over the period of next 1 to 2 years. So hold on, his time horizon has to be at least for 2 years from here on. And the upside target for Exide can be 200 levels, and the stop loss can be over around 150.
Thank you for watching.